Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Insight and Car Garage, your go-to channels for everything automotive. Today, we have an exciting review of the 2025 Jeep Compass, a rugged yet refined SUV that has been making waves in the market. Is this the ultimate compact SUV for 2025? Let's find out. The 2025 Jeep Compass gets a fresh new look while keeping its signature Jeep DNA intact. Up front, you'll notice a redesigned 7-slot grille, now with a sleeker, more aggressive stance. The LED headlights and DRLs are sharper, giving it a more premium feel. Moving to the side, the Compass retains its muscular wheel arches, now housing new 18-inch and 19-inch alloy wheel designs. The higher trims even offer blackout elements and a two-tone roof, enhancing its rugged appeal. At the rear, LED taillights and a sportier bumper design complete the refreshed look. Overall, the 2025 Compass looks tougher and more modern, making it stand out in the competitive compact SUV segment. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the premium materials and modern design. Jeep has upgraded the cabin quality with soft-touch materials, a larger 10.1-inch infotainment system with Uconnect 5, and a fully digital 10.25-inch instrument cluster. The new Compass now offers ventilated front seats, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium 9-speaker Alpine sound system. Plus, the panoramic sunroof and ambient lighting add to the luxurious feel. Rear passengers also get improved comfort, thanks to increased legroom and dedicated AC vents. Jeep has clearly focused on making the Compass a comfortable and tech-savvy ride. Under the hood, the 2025 Jeep Compass continues with its reliable 2.0L turbocharged petrol and diesel engines, both paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 9-speed automatic transmission. The biggest highlight? Jeep has introduced a plug-in hybrid, PHEV, variant, combining an electric motor with a turbocharged engine for enhanced fuel efficiency and instant torque. This model promises over 40 kilometers of electric-only range, making it a game-changer for urban driving. Of course, being a Jeep, it comes with advanced 4x4 capability, select terrain modes, and increased ground clearance, ensuring it's ready for off-road adventures. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Compass. It comes loaded with ADAS, advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, autonomous emergency braking, 360-degree camera. The 2025 Jeep Compass is expected to be priced between 22 Indian rupees lakh to 32 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, India. It competes with the Hyundai Tucson, Tata Harrier, Skoda Kodiaq, and MG Hector. With its rugged capabilities, premium features, and new hybrid option, the Compass makes a strong case in the compact SUV segment. So, should you buy the 2025 Jeep Compass? If you're looking for a stylish, tech-loaded, and off-road capable SUV, this is a fantastic choice. It combines Jeep's legendary toughness with modern luxury.